Local news for Monday the 1st of July. Local businesses are being reminded that single-use plastic bags are from today banned. Retailers can no longer sell or distribute single-use bags and could face a fine of up to $100,000. May was another strong month for the rental market in the region, with South Wairarapa rising 21% to $450 on average. Masterton was up nearly 20% to $395. A former director of nursing and midwifery at Wairarapa DHB will help lead the investigation into the Southern DHB review. Helen Pocknell is part of the review team. Carterton District Council's Policy and Strategy Committee will decide this week on whether Carterton residents can choose a new paint colour for the town's iconic clock tower. The town will need to be repainted the clock tower will need to be repainted following strengthening work, providing a unique opportunity to create an identity for the clock tower. The meeting will take place on Wednesday. And in sport and club rugby for the weekend, Gladstone thumped Eketahuna 43-6, Greytown beat Maris 41-30, and Martinborough beat Carterton 39 points to 7.